Progress. Good evening, all. Today, we are just going to say about a topic called Vedic Microbiology. So, in Vedic Microbiology, in the Vedas, how the microorganisms are being used, how the particular microorganisms are being said by the rishis, munivas, and other peoples. So, in the Vedas, during the particular period, the microorganisms are being called as the kirmi. So, they are being considered as the invisible creatures. They are found to be causing some serious level of problems to the humans and also to the animals and plants. So here the microorganisms are nothing but they are having both the capability of doing beneficial and also some harmful effects to the human beings. So the microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, helminths, and algae. So they are being considered as the microorganisms. And here the microorganisms are being giving informations about the science of the microorganisms and how that particular one is being utilized in the particular periods. So the next one is found to be the toxin theory of disease. So here the toxin theory of disease that is found to be initiated some early ancient period itself. And later on in the Western Hemisphere, so the scientists peoples like Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, and D. Barry has just re-established the particular toxin theory of disease into germ theory of diseases. And this is found to be called as the golden period of microbiology in the Western Hemisphere. In the Vedas, so the microorganisms and the diseases are found to be having some link. The Rig Veda, Ajurveda, Atharva Veda, and also in the Ayurvedas. So the microorganisms and their informations are being shown in the particular textbooks. In the Rig Veda, the Rishi Agastya, who has just made a point about the poisonous organisms. And that particular poisonous organisms are being considered into two types. One is found to be visible and another one is found to be invisible. So the invisible ones are found to be present in the water and other forms in the earth environment and ecosystem. These particular organisms can be able to cause some serious level of infections or death to the particular human beings. And the antidote for the poisons also being dictated in the particular Atharva Vedas. So the Atharva Vedas, they are found to be giving names like Kirimi Bhojana, Kirimi Nasana, Kirimi Gana, Rakshana. And these particular names are we just giving information about the particular microorganisms, its structure, characters, properties, and the virulence nature. Okay. And previously, during the particular Veda periods, so the Kirimis are being considered as an organ or organs equal to the eyes, heart, tongue, and teeth. So in the early periods, there is one particular scenario is being done that is being called as the yajna. The yajna is nothing but so the one form of the Agnihotra. So in that particular process, the fumes are found to be get liberated, and that is found to be killing the kirimi in the level of either by breaking its eyes or else its tongue and heart. So the Rishi Agastya has just made another additional information that so the particular kirimi has an ability to move into the particular host system. So the Chandra Chakrabarti, this particular person has made a small classification about the particular disease. So in this, he just made a classification that the tyranny of gods. So means the particular diseases are been coming through the thunder and lightning. And the next one, the particular diseases are been coming through the curses that has been called as the phobia, and from the sastras of the Atharva Veda, that is through the infectious diseases, and they are being get transmitted through the contagion. So they are being called as example syphilis. And the Deva Bala. So that is another mode of particular disease that is found to be produced. That is being called as the God who is being sending the particular disease. We can call the one beyond the human control. So the particular diseases like cholera, smallpox are found to be called as the demons, and that is found to be coming to our earth through the thunder and lightning. Whereas the diseases like syphilis and some other diseases are being coming through the accidents to the particular peoples through some contact mode. So in the Atharva Veda, so during the particular period, the epidemic diseases are being causing some serious level of problems to the particular peoples, and it's completely eroded the particular village or community of peoples. So beyond the particular Rishi Agastya, the Vasturia philosopher, who has also made some point regarding in the Kama Sutra. So the women who are found to be present at the particular scenario period are being advised to find out the men who are found to be alcohol free and the peoples are found to be tuberculosis free. So they are having the capability to identify those particular peoples. So the word krimi or krimi, it's found to be shown in the particular or the other Ayurveda and also in the Sanskrit text, like Yashkarya. So the krimi, that is one type of thing that is going to be growing and developing on the decaying matters or in a dead matters. So we can call the other names like Adashta, Raksha, Vishaka, Yatu, Yatura, Kimidi, Gandharva, Apsara, Amiva, Duralima, and Ashura. So the other names given for the particular one. Especially the terms like Raksha and Pisaka are commonly used in the Bharata. So they are being called as the imagination giant demons. So here, the Pisaka. So they are the microorganisms, they are the disease-causing microorganisms. They are being eating away the fleshes of the human beings. And in some cases, these particular Pisakas are found to be identified in the foods and eatables and milk and children. That is the foodborne diseases. And that one is found to be consumed by the particular humans. And through that, the humans are found to be get infected by the particular Pisakas. So here, some of the words are being given for the particular microbes. So the Adashta, so the mean is nothing but the unseen. So we can call the one as the invisible creature. Okay. So here there is one particular word is being called as the Adashta. So we can call it as the destroyer of the microbes or else the destroyer of the invisible things. So that particular Adashta is nothing but the sun. The sun is going to be called as a major important factor in destroying the microorganism because the sun which contains the UV light and that is going to be having the capable of the germicidal activity which can able to kill all the microorganisms. The next one is found to be the rakas. So the rakas, they are found to be present in the 7 nutritious elements in our body like lymphocytes, blood, flesh, fat, bones, marrow, and semen. And the next one, Pisaka. So they are found to be the flesh eaters. The best example is nothing but Streptococcus pyogenes. The next one is Yatu. So they can reach to the particular point and through which they can able to liberate certain pain. Example, Helicobacter pylori. The next one is Yeduttana. So that is found to be giving some pain to the human beings. And Gandharva, it's nothing but the insects or something that is having the capable of singing and speaking. And they are being attracted towards the smell or that which recognize the smell. So the best example is nothing but the house flies. And Apsara, so this is found to be mobilizing or coming from the water, and the waterborne diseases are found to be the best example for the Apsara. So the hygienic conditions has also been said in the Yajurveda. So the peoples are being asked to close the particular containers in order to not to be get contaminated with the particular microorganisms. So they have just made many important protocols in maintaining the aseptic conditions in order to be maintain the health parameters to be get not infected by the particular microorganisms. Aseptic surgical operations that is also found to be made here. The particular wound and abscesses are being washed with the warm water and antimicrobial paints, which is found to be helping to keep away the particular deadliest microorganisms. And also, the major important thing that is found to be done in the hospitals is nothing but the Havan Kundas. Here, the fumes are found to be liberated, and that particular fumes can be able to kill all the nosocomial bacteria that are found to be produced that found to be produced into the particular environment. So the microorganisms in the particular Vedas. So the right from bacteria, okay, so various likes of insects like Pitta, Pitanga was nominated as the Kilmi. So that is found to be considered as the visible or macroscopic or invisible or microscopic. So the microorganisms are having the capabilities to cause some serious level of infection, and the peoples are been thinking that the particular microorganisms are being as a demons. So that particular demons can able to enter in our body and through which they can able to easily cause some infections. So here, the sun or the Agni has been considered as an important factor in eliminating the particular microorganisms in some of the particular Vedas, in the Vedas. So the early morning ultraviolet rays, when we are being exposing our body, which will help us to remove the particular microorganisms. And further beyond, some of the natural resources like vegetable drugs, mineral oils, fumigation, cleansing process that are found to be used by the particular human beings in order to eliminate or kill the particular deadliest kirimis. There is one particular classification that has been done during the Vedas period by the Charakas. So here the microorganisms are being classified based on the 7 different parameters. So the bacteria are being considered. Some are found to be as in a thickened condition. Some are found to be in a tape that is made up of leather-like conditions. Some microorganisms are being looking like an earthworms. Some are found to be looking like a sprouts of paddy. Some of the microorganisms are found to be thin. Some are found to be long, and some of these are very minute in the body. And this is the Charaka Smriti. In this book, the microbial classifications has been given in very detail. And here, the names. Okay, so further beyond. Okay, so in this particular one, the microorganisms structure has been revealed by the particular Charakas. And further beyond, so here, based on the color, the microorganisms are found to be get classified. So the shape, structure, and where it has been originating, and based on the microorganisms are being get classified. So here, the microorganisms are being classified based on its structure, shape, and color. So the microorganisms are found to be thick, globular, and plum in shape, and some are found to be blackish red in color, and some are found to be yellow in color, some are found to be white in color, and some are found to be black in colors. So the next one is found to be the Agnihotra. So the Agnihotra is nothing but we can call the fumigation process. So in this particular process, the butter, grains, water fresh materials, dried cow dung cakes, herbal powders, sticks of some specific trees are found to be used. And when you have been using the particular one, the fumes are found to be get produced, and that particular fumes can able to remove multiple number of problems in a particular person body, like depression, migraine, addiction to the alcohol, skin fungus, non-healing wounds, kidney pain, gastritis, and tonsillitis. And during the particular Agnihotra, so the fumes are found to be dwelt or being generated with the help of some of the woods or the ticks of the tulasi, paper, neem, batta, shishma, akrama, and aka. So these particular plants or these particular tree varieties or the botanical varieties are having some beneficial effects over the human beings. When you have been burning the particular one, so these particular twigs or the particular woods can be able to release some fumes, and when it is found to be get inhaled, so the inhalation of being done, that is found to be eliminating the particular microorganisms. And in the early period, so in the particular palace or else in the temple, the Agnihotra is being done on a regular basis because many number of people are found to be coming to the particular location. So the microorganisms may be dwelling in the environment, and that has to be eliminated in a regular basis. For that, the Agnihotra are found to be the major important factor, which is found to be helping in order to eliminate all the microorganisms. Thank you.